Arena Breakout Infinite Northridge Cafeteria Cashier's office key. In this video, I'll show you where it is, the loot inside, and more. The easiest way to find things in Arena Breakout Infinite is through use of my very simple map you'll find linked down below. Come here, punch in what you're looking for, so Cafeteria, and I'll choose Cashier's office key. This takes us straight to it, where you'll see the loot inside, info, tips, and much more for this, and of course the entire map. So let's start off by making our way up to the cable car section to this southwest building here. So that of course is all the way up here, this big building on the left here. When you get here, you'll see it's this smaller high-rise on the left, next to the ticket area, and inside of here on the first floor, it seems it's already been looted, but that's fine, this door is likely not touched. You can see the loot inside here. We've got a safe at the very back, and maybe a bit more. I'll unlock this and make our way inside. Behind the door we have, of course, the safe visible from the window, and besides that, well, not really much else in this room. It's just the safe. Inside of this safe, will it justify the money? Well, that depends on your luck. In my case, yeah, it definitely does. That is a huge win. I'll be taking that, securing it, and I'm very happy with my purchase. Of course, your luck will very likely differ. This is a hit or miss key with absolutely nothing else other than this one single safe in here. This is a pretty cool new animation. Never seen this before. And of course, the key is single use, so it vanishes once you use it. Yeah, a tough one to justify, but if you're lucky, you might be real lucky. Again, you'll find this and way more info down in the description below. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.